Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to quickly filter in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel and simply select the amount those you want to filter. So I select here the total price 3367.12. So simply right click on it and click on the filters and click on the filter by selected cell value, and that's it. Here you can see the filter is applied. Okay, to clear the filter, just click on the filters option and click on the clear filter from total price, and here you see. Again, if you want to filter by color, simply select the color and right click of the mouse, click on the filters and click on the filter by selected cells color, and here you see your filter the selected color. Okay, again I click on the filters icon and click on the clear filter from quantity. Now you can filter from the font color. So simply select here. I select this font color red. Right click on the mouse, click on the filters and click on the filter by selected cell font color. And here you see the selected font color is filters. Okay, again I click on the filter, click on the clear filters. Now you can filter with icon. So I select this icon, okay, gray color, right click on mouse and click on the filters and click on the filter by selected cells icon, and here you see the selected icon is filtered. So this is the way you can quickly filter in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.